Let's now talk matters security, and cybersecurity continues to be one of the biggest threats for enterprises in the continent. A newly released report by Ernst & Young audit firm shows that the increasing threats are pushing enterprises to take on a proactive approach towards the threats. Here's more on that report.
I don't think the cybersecurity office by itself is going to solve the problem. You know, the people in the cybercrime community are really motivated, and you know they have a lot of great tools, I suppose, at their disposal that are helping them infiltrate people, process, technology. But having an office and a place within the organization that is actively looking and scanning the market, actively looking at emerging threats, understanding what is coming down the line, and how good the organization is from a maturity perspective in being able to detect and prevent some of those attacks is a really good start.
So the tools to manage those risks we have. It's about how we implement them and how we work together as organizations and a community to make sure that there's trust in the overall mobile money environment, and that each of the different organizations is appropriately managing the risk appropriately. But all digital transactions depend a lot on customer trust. It's about the experience for the customer, and they've got to trust it. So it's in everyone's interest to make sure that the customers do trust the transactions.
We still see cyber and also digital as a technology issue. It's not a business issue. It's not a business imperative. And therefore, the right level of attention that should be paid to this area, we are losing it, from the board. If they could pay the right level of attention and realize the impact of not having this properly addressed, you could see those levels of percentages go down.
Yeah.
Well, interesting insights into that particular report. I actually